What's up, guys? Welcome back. This week we're gonna be going a little tropical, bitter tropical. All right, we're gonna be doing the Junglebird. So let's just get into it. First thing we're gonna need 45 mils of a Jamaican rum. Then we'll go 22 mils Campari, 45 mil pineapple juice, 15 mil lime, and then 15 mil Demerara syrup. We're gonna give that a really good shake, pull out our rocks glass or a fun tiki mug that you have, and we're gonna pour it in there. We're gonna garnish it off with like a pineapple wedge or some pineapple Frons. And that is all it is, guys. Very kind of simple, pretty simple. That's fairly straightforward, right? But you know, you get your rum, you get your Campari, pineapple, lime, sugar, done. Simple. The Junglebird, you've probably, like, if you're looking through cocktails, which I assume you probably are because you're here, you've probably heard of the Junglebird before, right? Junglebird is a very common, very popular tropical tiki cocktail. And it's because it's so easy to make and it's so damn good. You do have to like bitter tropical drinks in order to enjoy this one because the Campari does make this quite bitter. A lot of bartenders will go towards a blackstrap rum for the base of this instead of a Jamaican rum. It was Beach Bum Barry who started using Jamaican rum instead. So Jamaican rum's like the one I'm using here, Appleton Estate 8-year. Jamaican rums typically have this weird funk to them that some people really love and some people really don't love. So if you're one of the ones that don't love it, then just find something that's an aged rum that doesn't have to be Jamaican. It really depends on what you have. Go with what you feel, okay? The cocktail though, the Junglebird, this thing was created in Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur, in the 1970s. It was first printed in the American Bartender's Guide by John Poyster, I think it was. So yeah, this is a very, very popular one in Malaysia until probably the 80s roughly, where it kind of spread around the world a little bit more. And now you can probably get one in like most cocktail bars, if not all. Okay, it's literally that popular. But that is all that I have for you today, guys. It's a quick one, fairly simple, very delicious one. Definitely give this a try, okay? If you like what I do here on this channel, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna have more coming out every single week. If you have a cocktail you think I should be doing on here, let me know in the comments, all right? If you don't have a cocktail, just say hi in the comments. I'll probably say hi back. All right, but until next time, guys, keep stirring. Cheers.